We begin tonight with new charges in a Waukesha daycare abuse case.
Months, that is, after a police raid at the Lawrence School, a former worker is accused of harming more young children, and her bosses are now charged with failing to stop the alleged abuse.
Miriam McCarr was in court today. She walks us through these new charges. Miriam.
Heather Miller was initially charged in September with 1 count of physical abuse and another count for reckless endangerment of a child. This new filing adds 3 more counts of physical abuse of a child and accuses 2 administrators of doing nothing to stop her.
The court will recall State versus Heather Miller.
Seated next to her attorney, 49-year-old Heather Miller made her way back to the Waukesha County Courthouse to plead not guilty to what are now 5 child abuse charges against her.
And enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant as to all charges related to her. That includes the new charges 3, 4, and 5.
Those additional charges are 3 felony counts of physical abuse of a child, including allegedly slamming a child's head down onto the bottom of a crib and flinging another child in the air, quote, a distance of approximately 8 to 10 feet. If she's convicted of all 5 counts, the former child care worker faces over 40 years in jail and a $65,000 fine.
She stands here in front of you, judge, is innocent of these charges.
Also revealed in Thursday's amended complaint, charges against 2 more workers at the former Lawrence School. 52-year-old Kathryn Ascher and 27-year-old Annemarie Fraker have each been charged with 1 count of failure to act to prevent bodily harm to a child. Ascher was the daycare center's facility director and Fraker was the assistant director. The report says teachers who witnessed Miller's abuse told both Ascher and Fraker what happened, who both said they would look into it and did not act. Officials confirmed that Ascher and Fraker did not report any of the several instances of abuse to police, Child Protective Services, or the parents of the children involved. Ascher denied knowledge of any abuse. When officials interviewed Fraker last September, she said her and Ascher, quote, had plans to terminate Miller eventually. Now, if Ascher and Fraker are convicted, they face a maximum of 6 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. Their first court appearance is scheduled for February 16th, and Miller is back in court in April. Charles, Shannon.
All right, appreciate the update. Shortly after the initial abuse allegations came to light in September, the Lawrence School shut down. According to Waukesha Police, the school was operating at over 150% capacity.